Do you remember I made homemade dumpling last time? Today I'm going to show you how to make rice cake soup with dumpling I made. You can use any other kinds of dumpling you can get for making rice cake soup. This is boiled brisket, beef I use for making broth. This is rice cake for rice cake soup. I'm going to cook 3 dumplings already cooked and green onions and egg. Quite simple and easy to make. To make rice cake soft, just add hot water in advance. It will get soft when you use it. I'm going to prepare some kind of garnish for rice cake soup. This is boiled brisket. Just tear off like this. I'm going to season with soy sauce, a little bit of sesame oil, and ground pepper. These are the garnishes for the rice cake soup. The meat, brisket. Separate the egg yolk and egg white and then pan fry and then slice. I'm going to use beef broth 500 milliliters and add a half teaspoon of traditional soy sauce and one of my favorite broth coin. If you don't have broth or traditional soy sauce, just use water and salt. And also, you can use chicken powder instead of that coin broth. When broth boils, just add the dumplings and rice cake already drained and just leave it to boil. It doesn't take that long to cook. When the rice cake starts to float, just add the green onion. When it starts to boil again, that means almost finished. I put the garnishes I prepared on top and sprinkled with seaweed flakes. Thanks for watching and see you next time.